Welcome back, folks. Do you want to be a YouTuber? Because in today's video, we are going to discuss the benefits and the advantages of getting into the YouTuber industry. So, let's get started. Being a YouTuber comes with numerous benefits that attract individuals to pursue a career in content creation. Here are 6 paragraphs highlighting the advantages of being a YouTuber. Creative outlet. YouTube provides a platform for individuals to express their creativity and showcase their unique talents. Whether you're passionate about vlogging, comedy skits, educational content, music, or any other form of entertainment, YouTube allows you to unleash your creativity and share it with the world. As a YouTuber, you have the freedom to create content that aligns with your interests and connects with your audience. Global reach. YouTube has a massive user base, with billions of monthly active users worldwide. This presents an incredible opportunity for YouTubers to reach a vast audience on a global scale. Regardless of your niche or topic, you can connect with people from different backgrounds, cultures, and geographic locations. This global reach allows you to impact and inspire viewers from all corners of the world. Monetization potential. YouTube offers multiple avenues for monetizing your content. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and monetize your videos through ads. You can also explore sponsored content collaborations, brand partnerships, merchandise sales, crowdfunding, and more. By effectively monetizing your channel, you have the potential to generate a sustainable income from your passion. Flexibility and independence. Being a YouTuber offers flexibility and independence in terms of your work schedule and creative direction. You have the freedom to choose when and where you create content, allowing you to design a lifestyle that suits your preferences. Moreover, as a content creator, you have complete control over the type of content you produce, enabling you to share your authentic voice and build a loyal audience. Community building. YouTube fosters a vibrant community of creators and viewers. By consistently engaging with your audience, responding to comments, and collaborating with other YouTubers, you can build a supportive and dedicated community around your channel. This sense of community brings like-minded individuals together, creates a supportive network, and enhances the overall experience of being a YouTuber. Personal and professional growth. Being a YouTuber can be a transformative journey that allows for personal and professional growth. It encourages you to develop new skills such as video editing, storytelling, public speaking, and social media marketing. Through experimentation and feedback, you can refine your content creation abilities and learn valuable lessons about audience engagement and digital media. Additionally, as your channel grows, you may have the opportunity to collaborate with influential figures, attend industry events, and explore other exciting ventures. Learning opportunities. Being a YouTuber offers continuous learning opportunities. As you navigate the world of content creation, you'll acquire new skills and knowledge in areas such as video production, graphic design, SEO optimization, audience analytics, and social media marketing. You can also learn from other successful YouTubers through their tutorials, advice videos, and industry insights. This constant learning process can be intellectually stimulating and contribute to your personal and professional growth. Influence and impact. YouTube provides a powerful platform to make a positive impact and influence others. By sharing informative, educational, or inspiring content, you can shape opinions, spread awareness about important topics, and promote positive change. You have the ability to influence the thoughts, emotions, and actions of your audience, and this influence can be leveraged to raise awareness about social issues, support charitable causes, or share empowering messages. Networking opportunities. As a YouTuber, you have the opportunity to connect with fellow creators, industry professionals, and potential collaborators. Attending YouTube events, conferences, and meetups can provide valuable networking opportunities where you can exchange ideas, collaborate on projects, and build relationships within the content creator community. These connections can lead to exciting collaborations, exposure to new audiences, and potential career advancements. While being a successful YouTuber requires dedication, consistency, and perseverance, the benefits of creating content on YouTube can be rewarding, both personally and professionally. It provides a platform to share your passions, connect with a global audience, and potentially turn your creative endeavors into a fulfilling career. That's all for this video, folks. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up icon. Consider subscribing as well and click the bell icon for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.